every time she gets closer, pulls me in and off to keep me guessing. Oh, and maybe I should start confessing, yeah. Oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy and take all my ambitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You'll take me places that tear all my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. Anyways, hello Koreans! Welcome sa soundcheck natin. Sobrang late tayo nakapag-start kasi there are lots of things that happen. Pero I'm really happy na you guys are here. Alam ko, ano pa lang to? Parang 5% pala to ng Koreans kasi alam ko yung lahat nakaabang dun sa naman ko kay lahat. And yeah, actually madami pa sabak mamaya, kaya abangan nyo na lang. I'm really excited din for mamaya actually. Kaya ayun, I just want to tell everyone na enjoy the show, of course. Magsaya tayo kasi you know, it's my birthday, CSE. I know that it's 30 pa yung birthday ko talaga. Pero, of course, yun, masaya tayo. And, yeah, I think we'll be ready in a few minutes. Malapit na to, mag-start na din tayo ng bit. Kaya, ayun. Thank you guys so much, Marky. Thank you guys. Thank you guys, Misha, Leia, Miguel, and Tisher, everyone. Thank you guys so much. Kahit hindi ko nakikita yung nasa likod. Gen 6 yun, alam ko yun. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I think I'm going backstage na. Yeah, anyways, I will go backstage na. Sa mga Koreans na nasa labas! Hello! Hello! Ito na, pabalik na ako. I'll be back in a bit.